Hello children, third standard computer science third class already finished the lesson 1 explanation. Today we will learn about the lesson 1 book exercise and question answers. Now I am going to see the book exercise. Lesson 1, how computer works, page number 10. Now let's talk about the multiple choice questions. So listen carefully. You should write neatly and correctly. Use pencil only. Okay. First question. What is the input stage in washing dirty clothes? Option A, the process of washing. B, the clean clothes. C, dirty clothes, water and detergent powder. Answer is C, dirty clothes, water and detergent powder. What will happen in computer after input is taken and processing has been done? Option A, output will be produced. B, input is taken again. C, more processing is done. Answer is A, output will be produced. Then fourth question, what is a single binary digit also known as? Option A, digit. Option B, binary. C, bit. Answer is C, bit. Fifth one, which part of the computer is known as the brain of the computer? Option A, platter. B, CPU. C, mouse. Answer B, CPU. Filling the blanks. Dash is a real write memory. Answer is RAM, random access memory. In order to express 3 added to 2, dash sign must be used. Answer plus symbol. An IPO, P stands for dash process. Mouse is an dash device, input device. Blu-ray disc is a dash device, storage device. True or false? In computer, tasks are done using IPO. Answer true. The monitor is an input device. Answer false. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Answer false. CPU stands for control processing unit. Answer false. Speakers are an example of input device. Answer false. Match the following. A nipple consists of. Answer D, 4 bits. A byte consists of. Answer E, 8 bits. A kilobyte consists of. Answer A, 1024 bytes. A megabyte consists of. Answer B, 1024 kilobytes. Fifth one, computers have memory size of. Answer C, dBs. dB means terabytes. Next, answer the following questions. Listen carefully. First question. So, how placing a phone call to someone is same as IPO? Answer. The mobile phone and the person entering the name serves as input. When the call connecting is in progress is the process. When a call is connected, then the output is served. Second question, explain about the processing device in a computer. Answer, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is small in size. It is placed on the motherboard of the computer. It is called the brain of the computer. It is an important question. Okay, next question. Answer the following question. Third question. What is memory? The capacity of a computer to store data and information is called its memory. Fourth question, give any two examples of secondary memory, hard disk and CD. Fifth question, what are the two types of primary memory? The two types of primary memory are RAM, ROM. RAM means random access memory, holds the data temporarily. The information can be read and written on it. ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory is used to store the data and information permanently. Next one, page number 11, application based questions. Wait. Sorry. Okay. 11. First question. Egna is making tea. Explain to her how the process of making tea can be divided into input, process, output. Input is water, sugar, tea, leaves and milk. Process boiling. Output tea. Your mother washes your clothes. Note how the process of washing can be expressed as input, process, output. Input means dirty clothes, water and detergent powder. Process is washing and spinning. Output is clean clothes. This is a very important application based questions. Next. Homework, next class. Activity soon. Bustle, page number 12. Do the activity work, okay? Study and write the question answers in lesson 1. Okay students, are you understand? You should write neatly and correctly. Use pencil in your computer note, okay? Remain, we will see the next class. Thank you.